first start in about 5 or 4 months. It's time to get ready for the season. Yep, she's been sitting here for about five. I think it's 5 months, or maybe more. No, no, I don't think it was more. I don't know. But yeah, as you can see, she wasn't started, I think, for a little bit over 4 months. So that's pretty good. She started right up. So yeah, I got some more work to do. So thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.